In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add division sign in Google Docs. By the end, you'll be able to place the division symbol exactly where you need it, format it so it matches your text, and keep your document looking clean and professional. First, let's use Google Docs' built-in special characters tool. Open your document and place your cursor exactly where you want the division sign to appear. Then go to the top menu and choose Insert, followed by Special Characters. A panel will open with a search box at the top. Type the word division or divide into that search box. You'll see the division symbol, which looks like this. Click it once, and it will be inserted right at your cursor's location in the document. When you're done, you can close the panel. The symbol behaves like normal text, so you can change its size, color, and font to match the rest of your content. If you need more than one, you can keep the Special Characters panel open and click the symbol as many times as needed. Also, Docs remembers recently used characters, so finding it again later is even quicker. Now, here's an even faster option if you already have the symbol handy. Copy and paste. Copy this symbol, CSOM, then click in your Google Doc where you want it and paste. It will adopt the formatting of the surrounding text, so it blends right in. This method is great if you're reusing the symbol from another part of your document or pulling it from a reliable source like a reference page or a previous file. A few quick tips to make your document look polished. Place spaces around the division symbol for readability, like this. 12, 3 equals 4. If your text is larger or smaller than normal, adjust the font size of the symbol to match so it doesn't look out of place. If you plan to use the symbol often, insert it once and then copy and paste it throughout the document as needed. That's usually the fastest workflow. And if the symbol looks slightly different with certain fonts, try switching to a clear, widely available font so it displays consistently. That's all you need to add the division sign in Google Docs using special characters or simple copy and paste. Try both methods and use whichever feels most efficient for your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!